In an ancient oceanic realm, Moana, a young navigator, set sail to restore balance to her island, Te Fiti, plagued by a curse that withered crops and dried rivers. The curse began when the heart of Te Fiti, the goddess of life, was stolen by Maui, the demigod. Without the heart, nature could not blossom. Determined to save her people, Moana took to the ocean with a canoe, guided by the stars and stories of her ancestors, seeking Maui. Moana found Maui stranded on an uninspiring islet. Convincing him to join her was difficult due to his pride and self-centered nature. Moana's persistence kindled a conscience within Maui, compelling him to join her on the dangerous mission to restore Te Fiti's heart. As they sailed, they faced shifting tides and mystical creatures. The ocean was both ally and adversary, challenging Moana's resolve. Their ultimate trial was confronting Te Ka, the fire monster guarding Te Fiti's heart, born from molten rage and despair. Moana used courage and compassion, remembering her grandmother's teaching that even monsters had once been something more. In a moment of bravery, Moana offered the heart of Te Fiti back, causing Te Ka's fiery defenses to collapse. Te Ka's exterior crumbled, revealing Te Fiti, trapped beneath layers of fear and loss. Te Fiti was restored to her former glory. Lush greens swept across the land as Te Fiti's spirit reinvigorated Moana's island, bringing the cycle of creation full circle. Moana returned as a hero, knowing the real victor was harmony itself as her people thrived and respected the ocean's bounty. The tale of Moana's journey was immortalized in songs sung by the next generation, a reminder of courage, unity, and redemption.